What's going on, beautiful people? It's a beautiful day. This is Keith Johnson here, coming to do what I do best, and that's to offer you and yours a wind of encouragement. It's my custom that when I go throughout the day, that I always I make sure I have in my pocket or somewhere around a pen and a piece of paper. And it's just so happened that I had this pen and this piece of paper, and I was in an annual training class just the other day, and at one of the points in the class, we were talking about being resilient. And what stuck out to me the most, it was two things. It was a quote that says, everyone faces adversity. No one is exempt. Let me say that again. Everyone faces adversity. No one is exempt. I face adversity. I'm not exempt. You face adversity. You're not exempt. We face adversity. We're not exempt. But what the second part, I said it was twofold. The second part that really got to me was when it said, it gave the definition of being resilient or having resilience. And it said resilience is the universal capacity that allows us to minimize, to prevent, or overcome adversity. Again, all of us have faced some type of adversity in our life, but I'm here to encourage you that you have to have resiliency. You must be resilient. You must operate under the guise of resilience. That regardless of what happens in your life, you're saying, hey, I'm not going to allow it to be my demise. Whatever happens in my life, I'm not going to allow it to shake me. It may startle me. It may get me crying, but I understand I have to wipe the tears from my eyes and become resilient. You know, I love the adage when it says, when life hands you lemons or life throws you lemons, make lemonade. Set up shop and start making money off of those lemons, because, you know, lemons aren't a bad thing. Adversity isn't a bad thing. Oftentimes, when you have your adversity, it shows you how strong you are. When life throws you those lemons and shows you that, hey, I have the entrepreneurial capacity to make money for myself. You know, there's a scripture, Proverbs 24:16. It says this, I love it. Donnie McClurkin had a song about it. It was called We Bow Down. But it says, Proverbs 24:16 says, a righteous man falls 7 times and rises again. You know, I don't know about you, but that's the epitome of being resilient. That is the epitome of resilience. That is the epitome of resiliency. That we oftentimes fall 7 times. We might fall 21 times. We might fall 24 times, whatever the case may be. But even though we fall, we still rise again. We rise in the face of adversity. We laugh, as they said in Lion King, we laugh in the face of a danger. That's what Simba said. So you must take on the ideology of Simba and said, hey man, I laugh in the face of danger. I laugh in the face of adversity. So if you don't get anything out of this, understand that adversity comes, but don't allow adversity to be your maker. Don't allow adversity to be your demise, but understand that adversity is here to make you better, that you have to couple that adversity with resiliency, that it is your capacity, the universal capacity that allows you to overcome, prevent, and minimize adversity in your life. Listen, I love you more, and I pray, that is my prayer, that you all become more resilient in this life. You know, life is always going to hand you lemons, it's going to hand you apples, it's going to hand you pears, it's going to hand you whatever the case may be, but you must maximize on that and use it to your advantage, man. I love you all, and just know that Christ loves you much more. You know, I want to encourage you again that you're smart, you're kind, you're brilliant, you're wonderful, you're great, you're all these wonderful adjectives and plus more. As always, I love you. Believe it, confess it, live it. Peace. This is another Wind of Encouragement by Keith Johnson.